Hey, what's up? This is Joseph and welcome to another PhotoFox lesson. Today we're going to talk about tools, which is a combination of features that allows you to make general adjustments on your image and also some pretty cool effects such as vignette, light effects, and more. So let's begin.
The first feature is Canvas, which you already might have seen when we start a new project and choose the empty canvas option. In here, you can flip the image, choose a different ratio, or you can determine the size of your canvas. And you can do so here at the top, or you can choose one of the presets from the menu. Then we have Heal, which is great for getting rid of small details on your image. All you gotta do is to swipe around the area that you want to erase, and then you gotta drag this new shape in order to copy the texture from here to here. As the arrow indicates, you can control the opacity, the feathering, or you can even flip the texture in order to make it look natural. Once you like the result, you can just tap on the plus icon, and that's it. And you can do this over and over again. The next one is Vignette. And with these tools, you can decide the position or smoothness, the brightness, the roundness of the corners, and you can even make it blurry. This is great for getting focus on specific areas of the image. And then there is Blur, that allows you to make cool effects like classic blur, motion blur, or zoom blur. And you can define the intensity with these arrows, or even the position. Okay, so this is the end of Tools Part 1. So see you in the second part of this lesson. Thanks for watching.